Star is going to school. Should you use a question mark or a period? Star is going to school is a statement, so you would use a period. Which one is a cat? Should you use a question mark or a period? Which one is a cat? This is a question, so you use a question mark. Is Bob in the box? Should you use a question mark or a period? Is Bob in the box? This is a question. You would use a question mark. Here comes the circus. Should you use a question mark or a period? Here comes the circus. Here comes the circus is a statement, so you would use a period. Look out the window. Should you use a question mark or a period? Look out the window. Look out the window is a statement, so you would use a period. Do you see the bird? Should you use a question mark or a period? Do you see the bird? This is a question. Do you see the bird? So you would use a question mark. These are my friends. Should you use a question mark or a period? These are my friends. These are my friends is a statement, so you would use a period. I love to fly kites. Should you use a question mark or a period? I love to fly kites. I love to fly kites is a statement, so you would use a period. My dress is yellow. Should you use a question mark or a period? My dress is yellow is a statement, so you would use a period. How many cookies will you eat? How many cookies will you eat is a question, so you would use a question mark. Good night.